Video basically on how easy it is to upgrade the RAM if you made the mistake of buying one of these Lenovo G50-45 laptops. Personally, I'm not a big fan of it, but you know, hopefully after you put some better RAM in it, maybe a solid state drive, it will make up for the performance issues this laptop has. So first thing you're going to do is what? Turn off the power, right? So we're going to shut this thing down. Then I'm going to go in and I'm going to disconnect all my cables off of it. So disconnect the Ethernet. This does have Wi-Fi, but I have to pause it. Okay, so we've disassembled all the cables. Next thing we're going to do is take the battery out. And that was accomplished basically by these tabs here. Rotates out, so the battery's out. Now we're going to be a little safer to working on this. Hopefully you have some kind of anti-static device. Because once you get inside the computer, it's easy to fry out components. In this case, I'm just going to take the cover off and show you where the RAM is and how you would take it out. So let me basically point out this whole cover is going to come off, so you've got some screws you got to take out of it. Pretty simple to do, so let's do that. So unlike a lot of computers that are just a pain in the fucking ass to get these covers off, 3 screws here removed, see them right there. And I almost do this with one hand. Yep, I can do it with one hand. Bam! Look at that. So, if you were going to change your hard drive, you would obviously come in and take out the 4 screws. That's pretty simple to do. I think the biggest thing with these computers, if you're going to change the hard drive, is the whole operating system issue and how much fun that is. So in here you have basically your 2 sticks of RAM, and if we're able to get this to focus, which hopefully it will, great. Nothing worse than a video where you can't get the stupid thing to focus. So you can just barely see right there in the middle that this is a 4 gig stick and that guy is a 4 gig stick. So after I do this, I'm going to have a 8 gig stick and a 4 gig stick, and we'll be up to 12. And I'll eventually do a performance video on this. But that's basically all you have to do. Really simple. Really simple. To get these out, you can basically pull these out and it'll pop up. Same with the other side. Pull that and that. Alright, so thank you for checking out my video.